Is your Ford Expedition key fob not working, or is the case difficult to open? The most common cause is a dead or dying CR2032 battery. This guide covers 2018, 2025 models and will show you how to replace the battery and troubleshoot common issues. Replacing the battery yourself can save you time and money compared to going to a dealership. We'll cover the tools you need, the step-by-step process, and what to do if you encounter problems like a stubborn case or a remote that still won't work after a battery replacement. First, let's talk about the supplies you'll need. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to replace the Ford Expedition key fob battery. First, locate the small slot on the edge of the key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool and carefully separate the two halves. Avoid using too much force to prevent damaging the plastic tabs. Remove the old battery from the key fob, making sure to note which side is facing up. This is the positive plus side. Clean the battery contacts inside the key fob using a dry cloth or alcohol swab. This removes any corrosion that could cause issues. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob, ensuring the positive plus side faces up, just like the old battery. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together firmly. Then test the remote by pressing the lock and unlock buttons from within 10 feet of your vehicle. If the remote still isn't working after replacement, double-check the battery orientation and ensure contacts are clean. If the case won't open easily, look for hidden clips and apply even pressure. For persistent issues, reprogram the key fob using your owner's manual instructions or consult a professional.